start 60, 5 right, good luck. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go 60. 5 right, and 6 left, slowing 50. Slight right, slight left to turn, square right, 70. Turn, square left, 70. Small crest to 4 right, and bump 120, slowing. Big jump, 70. Turn, square right to the crest, and 4 right. And 2 left short, into 3 right short, 50. 6 right, long, 80. Bad dip into crest, and 3 right, short of the crest, 70. Turn, square left, 170. Six right to the crest, 30, 3 left short, 60. Turn 2 left, over crest, 100. Early 3 right, 30. Turn 1 left, over crest, narrows, and turn square left, uphill. And right of the crest, 100. Unseen, 1 right, tightens, 120. Crest, 100, double caution. Jump, 40, turn, square right. 40, crest, 80. Crest, and 6 left, slowing, 40, turn, square right. To crest, 150. Turn square left, 100. 4 left, 80. Slowing, slight left, and turn square right, 100. Crest, slowing, 60, square left. 30, crest, 80. Turn, 1 right, for crest, 230. Turn, square left, 190. Turn, square left, 160. Crest, 70. Finish, 100 to stop. Okay, that's a 3 minute 16.9.